Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain you about the Kingdom Monera part 1. Kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole members of Kingdom Monera. Main characteristics of prokaryotes. Cell wall. Cell wall of prokaryotes is made up of peptidoglycan, murin, which is a type of mucopeptide. Cell membrane. Like eukaryotes, the cell membrane of prokaryotes is made up of lipoproteins. Lipid plus protein is called lipoprotein. All prokaryotic organisms placed under the kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Main characteristics of prokaryotes: cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan or murin, which is a type of mucopeptide. Cell membrane, like eukaryotes, the cell membrane of prokaryotes is made up of lipoprotein, lipid plus protein. The space between cell wall and cell membrane is called periplasmic space, which is analogous to lysosome because it helps in digestion of substances. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm of prokaryotes lacks membrane-bound cell organelles. In prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is indistinct. The nucleus of prokaryote is also known as incipient nucleus, genophore, nucleoid, or fibrillar nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent around the nucleus. It also lacks nucleolus. The space between cell wall and cell membrane is called periplasmic space, which is similar to lysosome and helps in digestion of substances. Coming to cytoplasm, the cytoplasm of prokaryotes lacks membrane-bound cell organelles. In prokaryotes, the nucleus is indistinct. The nucleus of prokaryotes is also called incipient nucleus or genophore or nucleoid or fibrillar nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent around nucleus and nucleolus also absent in Monera or prokaryote. Prokaryotes also lacks the true chromosomes. Instead of it, a false chromosome is present, which is made up of double-stranded circular DNA plus non-histone protein like polyamines. This false chromosome coils and forms the chromosomal region, which is known as nucleoid. Prokaryotes also lacks true chromosome. Instead of true chromosome, they contains a false chromosome, which is made up of circular naked DNA and non-histone protein like polyamines. This false chromosome coils and forms the chromosomal region, which is known as nucleoid. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are of 70S type. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Examples of prokaryotes: eubacteria or true bacteria, actinomycetes, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, archaebacteria, rickettsia, and chlamydia. Eubacteria, actinomycetes, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, archaebacteria, rickettsia, chlamydia are best examples for prokaryotic organisms. Eubacteria. History. They were first observed in rainy water and later in teeth scum by Leeuwenhoek in the year 1675 and called them as animalcules. After that, F.J. Cohen and Ehrenberg first of all coined the name bacteria. Berge placed bacteria in Phorosophyta group and wrote a book, Manual of Determinative Bacteriology or Microbiology. This book is known as Bible of Bacterial Classification. Shape. Bacteria have variations in their shapes. On the basis of their shape, bacteria are of different types. The very first one, coccus or cocci. These bacteria are spherical in shape. These are smallest bacteria, maximum resistant bacteria. Example, Diplococcus pneumoniae. Second one, Bacillus or bacilli. This group includes most of the bacteria which are in rod shape. Example, Escherichia coli and Bacillus anthracis. Let's see the diagrammatic representations of cocci bacteria and bacilli bacteria. Third one, Spirillum or Spirilla. These are spiral shaped bacteria which contains a flagellum. Example, Spirillum volutan and Treponema. Fourth one, Comma or Vibrio. These are comma shaped bacteria. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of Spirillum and Vibrio bacteria. Motility in bacteria. Bacteria are motile as well as non-motile. Movement in bacteria takes place by means of flagella. On the basis of number and arrangement of flagella, which is called flagellation, bacteria are following types. Very first one, Atrichous bacteria. In those, flagella are absent. Example, Micrococcus. Second one, Monotrichous bacteria. In those, one flagellum is present on one end of bacterium. Example, Vibrio. Third one, Amphitrichous bacteria. In those, single flagellum is present on both the ends of bacteria. Example, Nitrosomonas. Lophotrichous bacteria. Bunch of flagellum is present on both end of bacterium. Example, Salmonella. Fifth one, Cephalotrichous bacteria. In this, when a bunch of flagella is present on one end of bacteria. Example, Corynebacterium. Sixth one, Peritrichous bacteria. In this, when flagella are found on the whole body of bacterium. Example, Escherichia coli and Salmonella typhi. Structure of flagella. Flagellum of bacteria is made up of three parts such as basal body, hook, filament. The parts of flagella are basal body, hook and filament. Filament of flagella composed with the protein called flagellin. Pili, plural pili, singular pilus. Bacterial cell is covered by numerous hair-like structures called pili. Pili are smaller than the flagella. Pili are two types. Number one, longer pili. Number two, shorter pili. Longer pili is also known as F pili or sex pili. Longer pili occurs in only donor F plus or male bacteria and helps in conjugation. These are absent in recipient bacteria or female. The shorter pili take part in attachment to rocks in streams and to the host tissue. These are also known as infective pili or fimbria. Pili or sex pili helps in conjugation. Fimbriae helps in attachment. Structure of eubacteria. So the bacterial structure is very simple. They are very complex in behavior. Bacterial structure is very simple but very complex in behavior. Bacterial cell has a chemically complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of a tightly bound three-layered structure which is called outermost glycocalyx, maybe capsule or slime layer, cell wall and cell membrane. Although each layer of the envelope performs distinct function, they act together as a single protective unit. The very first one, glycocalyx, which may be capsule or slime layer. Loose and thin layer is called slime layer and thick and tough layer is called capsule. Formation of glycocalyx is done by cell membrane. Capsule is made up of polysaccharides and polypeptides, while slime layer is made up of mainly polysaccharides. Glycocalyx protects the bacteria from WBC and also helps in colony formation. Second one, cell wall. Bacterial cell wall is rigid and made up of mainly peptidoglycan. In gram positive bacteria, cell wall is single layered and thick. Mainly, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Lipids also present but in less quantity. While gram negative bacteria, cell wall is double layered. Inner layer is thin and composed of peptidoglycan, while outer layer is thick and made up of lipopolysaccharides. Cell membrane. Bacterial cell membrane is made up of lipoprotein like the eukaryotic cell membrane. Cytoplasmic organelles. Very first one, mesosomes. The cell membrane bacteria invaginates or extensions in cytoplasm at different places and form mesosomes or chondrioid. These extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubules and lamellae. Functions of mesosomes. Mesosomes helps in cell respiration, cell wall secretion, DNA replication and cell division. Mesosomes functionally like mitochondria and they contains respiratory enzymes which are helps in respiration. Storage granules are inclusion bodies. Reserve material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. These are not bounded by any membrane system and lie free in cytoplasm. These storage granules or inclusion bodies are classified into three types: glycogen granules, volutin or phosphate granules, and Synovian granules. Glycogen granules. They stores carbohydrates. Volutin or phosphate granules. These are also known as metachromatic granules. Volutin granules are phosphate polymers and function as storage reservoir for the phosphate. Synovian granules, they stores nitrogen. Chromatin material or nucleide. Nucleus of bacterial cell is called nucleide or genophore, or incipient nucleus or fibrillar nucleus. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus are absent and DNA is double stranded, circular and naked. Besides the main DNA, another small and double stranded circular DNA is also present in bacteria, which is called plasmid. It is also known as extrachromosomal or extranuclear genetic material. The term plasmid was given by the scientist Lederberg. Plasmids have the ability to replicate independently, which means they have the ability of self-replication. Plasmid of many types on the basis of their functions and phenotypic characters. Very first one, F or fertility factor or F plasmid. On the basis of presence or absence of F factor, there are two mating types of bacteria. A. F plus cells carrying F factor acts as donor called F plus or male. F minus cells lacking of F factor acts as recipient called F minus or female. When F plasmid attached with main DNA, it is designated as episome, and this type of cell is known as HFR, high frequency recombination cell. R factor resistance to antibiotics.